Doon tayo pupunta sa tuktok. Let's start the hike. Sasama yata sila sa akin. Hala. Let's go. Siyempre, mag-isa lang tayo. Mag-hike today. Kasi unavailable ang mga persons of interest natin. So sabi ko, gusto ko mag-hike. Yeah, anyway. So sabi ko, go na. Tuloy ko na to. Kahit mag-isa lang ako. Sige lang. Wait lang. Ang dami kong bit-bit. Ayusin ko muna yung sarili ko. Hello. Oh my God.
A few minutes later.
The only responsible one.
Yeah.
There's no one else to blame.
You're responsible for all yourself.
Correct. For the success and for the failure.
Yeah. But at the end of the day, it's still yourself that matters. Even if you failed or you succeed to do what you want.
Sure.
Right? And
Totally agree.
yeah, and it's still an accomplishment that you feel happy
Yes.
at the end of the day.
I mean, I said a failure, but I wouldn't regard it as a failure because
Yeah.
whatever, like you go to a restaurant, awesome. You don't go, awesome.
Yeah.
Because maybe next time you'll
Yeah.
go, right? It's okay. If you were not feeling ready, okay, next time, it's fine, right? So it's not actually a failure, but it's a way of learning anyway. So the views are very nice.
Yeah, here. You can see the other island, which is Sibuyan.
Sibuyan!
Yeah, and there you can see the Mount Giting-Giting.
Oh, this is Giting-Giting.
Yeah, it's so nice today because it's very clear. You can see it.
It is. There's no, there's like some clouds, but not
Yeah,
cloudy.
yeah.
It's not cloudy.
So you can see the perfect, the majestic
Wow, the
Mount
view,
Giting-Giting.
yes.
Yeah, here with my new friend. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Sandra.
Sandra.
Yes.
My name is Louie.
Oh, nice to meet
Yeah.
you.
Hi. I've got a new friend.
Oh, so nice.
Ayan. Hello everyone. Charot. Ang dami kong microcuts because of the kugon. But anyway, welcome to the mountain. Welcome to the mountain. So ayun, the time is 5:20 PM. And then andito ako ngayon sa taas ng nasa bundok. Actually, this is the highest peak here in Romblon Island. Taray. Grabe naman yun sa English. But anyway, kanina, actually paakyat dito, may nakasabay akong foreigner visitor here in the island. She's actually from Spain, but she's working in Manila as a Spanish teacher sa UP Diliman. Tapos mag-isa lang siya, naka-motorbike siya, and then dun sa jump off area, dun ko siya nakita. Tapos nahirapan siya dun sa sa motorbike niya kasi mahirap yung daan eh. So ayun, dun ko siya na-meet. Tapos sabi ko nung mauna na siya kasi I'm gonna take longer kasi sabi ko magvi-videos pa ako, magte-take pa ako ng videos. Tapos apparently along the way naabutan ko rin siya. So nagsabay na kami, tas ang dami naming napagkwentuhan hanggang makarating dito sa summit. Ay wait lang, itutour ko kayo sa summit. So this is the summit guys. No, this is the summit. Andito ako ngayon sa summit. So, there is the sunset area. Sunset area, charot. The Tablas Island. You can see the Tablas Island. And from here, you can see naman the Sibuyan Island. And also you can see the Mount Giting-Giting. That one of the hardest mountains to climb in the Philippines. Yeah, so this is the 360 view. Ngayon, it's Sunday afternoon, so I decided to go up here kasi parang ilang araw na akong nakatambay sa bahay. Like, parang alam mo yon, I'm feeling under the weather. Kung ano-ano na naman. But anyway, yeah, nauna na siyang umuwi si Sandra from Spain kasi sabi niya is not really familiar, or I mean taking motorbike in the evening pala. Asa na ba siya banda? Anyway, so ayun, good luck. And yeah, wait lang, makakain muna ako saglit. Let's eat. First, we have to clean. Diyan ka lang muna. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung baon ko. I have tuna spread here. Tuna spread. Oh my god, it's going. Tapos konti na lang yung tubig ko. Binibilisan kong kumain kasi asa na siya? Oh, ando na siya. Binibilisan kong kumain kasi magpipictorial pa ako. Okay, pababa na tayo. Bye, see you again next time. Oh, sorry. So there's the sunset. That's the sunset. And pauwi na rin ako kasi alas 6 na. Medyo baka maabutan ako ng dilim sa daan. Okay. Ganda ng langit, oh. Shit. Sobrang ganda talaga ng Mount Giting-Giting. Let's go. Good luck mamaya talaga nito pag uwi ng bahay. Sobrang katinito sa balat. Ang dami kong micro cuts because of this kugon grass. Yun din yung reklamo kanina ni Sandra. the Spanish woman I met here. Oh, but look at that. Syempre, diba? Ang ganda kasi talaga mag-nature. I'll turn into front. Hey! Uy, maganda din sana mag-picture dito kaso. Ayan. The sunset. Very beautiful. Beautiful. Hey! Look. Sunset. So, andito na tayo sa kalsada. Doon tayo galing sa taas. Doon. So, 'di ba? Paggabi na talaga. And habang pinagmamasdan ko yung Mount Giting-Giting, tingnan niyo, kita ba? Ayun oh. Sobrang ganda. Kasi walang clouds na nakaharang. I think it's a perfect time talaga na umakyat ako today. I wanted to be one with nature today. I wanted to go out and, you know, expose myself sa nature. Kasi, as the saying goes, nature heals talaga daw. And totoo naman. So, we're going down na. We're going down the road. Nakapark yung motorcycle ko doon sa sa jump up. Sunset. Oy. Ang outfit natin for today's video. Naka-outfit talaga. May pagganito pa. Napaka-arte Nakakatakot na, in fairness ha. Maglakad. Medyo creepy. Kaya nagmamadali na ako. Oh my God. Baka mamaya may makasalubong tayo. Charot. Wag naman. Wala naman siguro. Ipapakita ko lang kayo yung challenge sa pag-akyat doon sa tuktok dito sa summit ng Romblon. Kasi sobrang daming kugon grass. Like magkakaroon talaga kayo ng mga micro-cuts after the hike. Pababa na ako tuloy-tuloy lang and gumagabi na rin. Dumidilim na yung paligid. Ayun. Ang tataas ng kugon grass. Ang kati-kati na ng balat ko. Good luck talaga nito mamaya, mangangati talaga tayo. And I think malapit na ako. See? Let's go! Konti na lang. Yo, sobrang dilim na, medyo natatakot na ako. Medyo lang naman. Sige. Akyat pa. Lapit na. Okay, thank you so much salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa pag-akyat dito sa highest peak in our island.